better than one Camaro SS? Two. I was hoping for a rev.
That's a good thing.
It looks so good. You would never guess it's a Camaro Z28 because it looks like an SS. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's been way too long since I've done a video. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today here in Massachusetts. I guess I just decided to do a quick video today on the other Camaro. Probably just saw a clip of that in the beginning of the video, but this is actually my brother's car. And funny story is, he was over with it last night, showing it off. He just got this car on the road. I've done a clip before of this car. I'll post a link up in the corner of, or maybe a picture of what this car used to look like. He got this car just about a year ago now. It's the Texas car. He got it as a shell, and the car literally had no suspension, no rear end in it, and no interior, no engine, no tranny. He got it from a guy that had parted the car out completely, just down to a shell, and then he was gonna scrap it, I guess. And he came across it and bought the car and wanted to bring it back to life. So if you guys have seen my other videos, I have the exact same car. It's an 01 red Camaro SS. This is actually a Z28 car, but he put all the SS badging and stuff on it, the SS wheels, the leather interior, which that's locked right now, but he put a this car's got a built 6.0 in it. It's a 6.0 iron block with 241 heads on it, and it's got a 229R Texas Speed cam in it. Right now it's got a full-length Speed Engineering header, same thing as my 01 SS, but it's got a factory exhaust on it right now, just so we could get a sticker, because Massachusetts is real pain in the ass about inspection laws and stuff around here on what you can have for altered exhaust. So anyways, he was here last night with a car. I'll roll that clip real quick. Just markers. And he was about to leave like 10 minutes before it got dark out, and he turned the headlight switch on and nothing came on. So so I had him take my car home last night. I was like, you know what, just leave it here and you can come back and grab it later on, but at least you get to drive another Camaro home. So he took my car home. We tried to figure out what was going on exactly. We pulled out the headlight switch and we swapped it out with my car. And as we were plugging this one in, it zapped like it was shorted or something. So we hurried up and unplugged it just to make sure we didn't ruin my switch too. But there's a short somewhere in the headlight harness, and I gotta figure out where. So I might just try to trace some stuff back real quick before he comes over and picks this thing up again. But anyways, I'm kind of jealous of these floor mats. I had these on my watch list on eBay for the last like year now. It's just one of those things you're like, I don't really need it. But anyways, he put the full gray interior in the car, and it's in really nice shape actually. He needs a seat bottom for the passenger side, but I believe he's got one of those on the way. He's got a new Hurst shift knob. It's a 6-speed car, obviously. He's in the middle of ordering a rear end for the car right now. It's got a stock 10 bolt with 373s in it right now, I believe. Which I guess wouldn't be stock, but it's stock housing. But anyways, I'm gonna try and see if I can figure out this headlight issue, and we'll send the car on the way. But I took the car for a ride last night, and it has stock springs in it, whereas my car has BMR lowering springs in it. And I'm like, man, it really makes me think about taking my BMR racing springs out and putting like a factory set of springs back in my car, just because I do a lot of driving with it. It doesn't just sit around. I actually take it to work. I drive it on the weekends. I drive it on the weekdays. The only time the car doesn't get driven is when it's raining out, or if there's snow on the ground. Obviously it gets parked away for the winter time. But I don't know, the drivability of the car with stock springs on it just seems so much better. So I don't know, I'm still kind of going back and forth on it, but the gap on this wheel gap really isn't that bad. I have drag bags in the back of my car with the BMR springs, and it sits about the same height right now. And it's probably, you know, 4 inches, which isn't too bad in the back, but the front, I don't know, mine probably sits, you know, here. So I don't know, I don't really know if I should put the stock springs back in. Tell me what you guys think a little bit, because a lot of you guys seem like I have a lot of F-body subscribers on here. Tell me what you think for spring preferences. Like, do you prefer a stock spring or a performance spring? I guess it depends on where you live too, really. Like, I live in Massachusetts where the roads are horrible year round, and this time of year they're even worse because we just got out of the dead of winter, and they're still trying to repair the potholes or any of the heaving in the roads from the ice from the everything thawing out. So it's just a mess right now, and it really kills like the drivability of the car. So I mean, you want to talk about drivability too. The Duramax here. Duramax has the 33s with a 20-inch wheel on it. These things ride horrible. I know I've talked about this like in the past videos too, but like, holy crap, this thing just like, you hit a good set of bumps and this thing feels like a bulldozer. I really should have gone with like an 18-inch rim, but just look at that stance though. It just looks so good. I don't know, I can't get over the way they look still. They look awesome. These are, I've said this in the other videos, but it's a Hilo HE 900 rim. They're actually a very affordable rim and tire package, which, I mean, the tire is probably a cheaper tire. It's a Naturo Trailblade XT. They're decent though. I mean, I probably got, I don't know, 4,000 miles on them right now, so it's hard to say how long they're actually gonna last, but you know, no chopping or anything weird like that. So far I like it. But coming up soon, we're gonna be doing some paint work on the Duramax. I've mentioned this a million times before too, but we're finally out of winter now, and I can work on getting rid of all the primer spots and stuff. When I got this thing, it had a big dent there, and it had a dent here. Rocker panels were all gone. I got rocker panels all welded up on it. I got the cab corner welded onto it. I gotta finish grinding it down and paint the bed and stuff, but we're gonna be taking this thing out and working it soon. I do camping and stuff in the summertime with it, so I want it to look decent, you know, like just primer everywhere. It's kind of embarrassing to drive it like this because it looks like a heap, but anyways, enough rambling. I guess I'm gonna get back and try and see if I can fix the headlight issue in the Camaro, or at least look at it a little bit before he stops over and brings me my car back. But stay tuned for more videos. I got some more stuff to come. I'm gonna start making videos again. I know I've said this like a million times now, but weather is actually nice out now. I have a little more time in the evenings, on the weekends to do stuff like this, and I just grabbed a set of factory tires and SS rims for the Camaro, so I can pull the drag radials that are on the back of it right now off. So I'm planning a video for that. I'm trying to decide how I want to do that yet, but we could definitely take that out and do some cool little burnout videos or something with it. But stay tuned for more. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button. Make sure you click the thumbs up. It helps bump my videos to the top. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again next time.